What's up, guys? Welcome back to the videos. Today we are going to be installing a couple cool mods, but first a quick update. Alright, update time on the GTR. Sad news. Last night driving the car, I was heading up to a local area here in Arizona that people meet up to, and the car started overheating. Well, what I didn't know was, and I'll show you guys what is going on. I was driving and the radiator hose, the actual piece right here, snapped into the hose, which you guys can see right there. So now we are down for the count. I ordered a brand new radiator, aluminum radiator, and silicone hoses. So those should be in next week. Hopefully we can get an install video of those going in and hopefully reset the codes that are being thrown on the engine, and then we can fix the car. So I cannot catch a break, unfortunately. It has been an absolute mind bender trying to get this thing actually ready to go and drivable reliably. So, but we're not stopping. We're gonna get her fixed and we're gonna get her back on the road. So today though, let's go over exactly what we are installing on the car. So we have a couple things that we're going to install. We've got an NRG hub that we picked up online. We have a super sweet personal Grinta steering wheel, which will get rid of that absolutely just poop steering wheel that we have in there. So that's going in. And then we have some really nice top secret floor mats, which will replace the old busted ones that you guys can see that I took out over here. These are the back ones that I took out. So let me just flip it around. These are the back ones that I took out, and as you can see, they're just old and just cracked and disgusting. So we are going to put those in, the new ones, and hopefully with the new ones going in, we can change the look of the interior as well. And then I've got a box here with something cool in it, which I'm gonna go ahead and unbox right now for you guys to check out. All right, so this is something that I ordered that's kind of fun. Obviously this is not like a crazy mod or anything, but it's something fun that I think will look cool on the front of the GTR. Let's go ahead and open this. Oh, super sick. All right. So we ordered a custom plate for the GTR for the front. Now, everyone goes with like the standard, you know, white with the red stripe temporary one. I went with the yellow to kind of match the theme, you know, with the yellow personal suede steering wheel, the yellow stitching, the yellow top secret mats, are the black mats with the gold. So my whole theme with this car is going to be basically black and yellow or gold. So this will look super cool on the car. So let's just go ahead and put this one on now. What the hell? All right, let's go ahead and get this on and see. right, let's go see what we got over here. I know I've got a whole thing of bolts. Here we go. Maybe one of these will fit one of those new holes. Let's see if we can get this bad boy on. We can get a wrench back there eventually and just kind of tighten it up. The bracket has been angled back for so long, but we're good. We got it on there. We'll tighten it up again later, but let's move on to, what do you guys say we do the floor mats? Let's do the floor mats. So the first thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and get these crusty old nasty gross floor mats out. Let's get you guys a look. As you can see, the floor mat is just crap. So there's a little hook back here. Let's go ahead and move the seat back. There's a little hook right here. I don't know if you guys can see that, if it loads. But you just undo that hook and yank the crusty old floor mat out. Now, let's grab the other one on the passenger side. All right, this one's a little bit bigger. So again, crusty old floor mat. No hook on this one. And out. Now, I've already taken out the rear ones. You guys saw that. So we're gonna go ahead and get the rears in first. So let's go ahead and move the seats up and get some room here. And then we can lay these things in. Maybe, if we can get the seat all the way forward one-handed. There we go. Huh. You guys want to see something really cool that I never noticed? So I just found this, literally just now. Aquarius, Japanese, I don't know if you guys can see that. This is like a, if I'm not mistaken, this is like a water, this is a water bottle, straight from Japan, JDM water bottle, guys. I literally just found this under the seat. That's insane. All right, guys, so let's go ahead and get these back pieces in. So this one is the right side here. Maybe I am completely mistaken. There we go. All right, first floor mat is in. Let's get it nice and set. Okay, let's get this one in. Okay, now I got it. Jeez. Rocket science, boys and girls. Rocket science. All right, the rears are in. Now we need to put the one over the hump. I believe it just sits underneath the other ones, like so. Actually needs to come this way a little bit. And I went too far that time, so that should be gold right there. All right, backs are in. Let's move the seats back and get the fronts in. All right, now let's do the fronts and get these bad boys in. All right, so let's go ahead and get the driver's side in first. All right. Woo! Those pieces are sticky. All right, we got to get the hook in here. You see this little hook goes right in there. Okay. And we'll move this over just a little bit. All right. Driver's side floor mat is in. Voila. Let's go get the passenger. All right. And this one's gonna take some time to wear in because this huge hump right here, you guys can't really see it, so it's got to take some time to wear in on that hump that you guys can kind of see right there. So it's gonna sit a little wonky for a little bit until the floor mat actually adheres to the hump. But now we have all the floor mats in, the rears are in. There is an optional trunk mat that I will probably end up picking up, you know, down the road here. It's like 140 bucks and it does the entire trunk. But I haven't bought that yet. I just wanted to get the ones in the front, as you guys can see, kind of see here. Let me flip the camera around. You guys can kind of see the floor mats now. Now, the next project, the next thing that we're gonna get rid of, and we need to make sure that the car, the steering wheel straight, is this thing. This is going, let's get this thing out. All right guys, now we're in the vehicle, so we're gonna go ahead and make sure that the steering wheel is straight. Now when you're actually putting any type of quick release or hub on your vehicle, you want to make sure that the steering wheel is 100% dead straight and the wheels are dead straight. So I'm gonna go ahead and straighten out the wheel real quick. Here. All right, I'm just gonna make sure that the wheels are straight. I think we're good. All right, now that the wheel is straight, we're gonna go ahead and take this wheel off and then we can get the Energy hub on. So let's go ahead and get this wheel off. All right, so this has 6 bolts. We're gonna go ahead and take the horn button off so that can go. And then we're gonna go ahead and get these bolts off. I think we've got all the bolts out. The wheel should just come off. Hey! All right. Now we've got the wheel off and the nuts out. Let's check out the hub here. So we're gonna have to pull this retaining ring out, which isn't needed when you're putting the hub on. All right. Definitely want to clean this hub out. So let's go ahead and clean the hub real quick and then we can get the NRG in. Go ahead and clean this hub so it's not disgusting. Oof, there's a lot of dirt on that one, boys and girls. So let's go ahead and get the NRG on. Now with the NRG, I don't know if you guys can see this, but you want to get the NRG logo. I don't know if it's gonna focus. Focus! Anyways, you want to get the NRG logo up top. That is where the center is for the hub. So all right, boys and girls. All right, guys, we have got the NRG hub in. All right, guys, so we're gonna go ahead and get the hub attached to the back of the personal steering wheel. Shout out to Chasing Jays. They actually went into their warehouse and searched for these titanium steering wheel screws for me. They actually went out of their way to get these for me. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this all in, and hopefully we can get the wheel on. So let's do that. All right, so we've got our hub here. We're gonna go ahead and get it lined up. We wanna put the pieces through, get the holes nice and lined up with the wheel. Then we're gonna take our screws and just go ahead and work them into the wheel. Almost got the center button all the way in. All right, I think we are good. Center button's in. Let's go get this on the car. So let's go ahead and get this on the vehicle. Here we go, moment of truth. Alright guys, that is going to do it for today's install video. We have obviously a couple more things to do to the car. Obviously the radiator, we got to get that fixed, so we got a brand new, those are on the way. We still have the full exhaust system, which clearly isn't going to go on until we get the radiator fixed and the car running again. So we've got the HKS downpipes, the cat delete, and the full titanium Tomai, and then we also have the Attain carbon fiber bumper guard that needs to go on, which we will rivet on. We'll do that as an install video too as well. But yeah, so that is gonna do it for today's install video. We got the top secret floor mats in, we got the steering wheel with the NRG in, we got the Japanese license plate on the car. So if you guys enjoy the content and you guys are enjoying this build series, please smash the subscribe button and hit the like button on any of these videos. It helps me out. I really appreciate it, guys. I'm trying. My goal is to get to 3,000 subs. So we got a 3,000 sub goal. I think we're at 1.8K. So hopefully we can hit that goal and start pushing out more content. This is not the only project that we have coming towards this year. We've got another project. We've got my dad's car, we've got Shane's car that we're still working on, we've got my uncle might be buying a car, so I won't tell you guys what he's thinking about, but would be cool for the channel. But we also have 2 more projects that we are working on, possibly towards the end of this year, so that's stuff coming too as well. But if you guys like these videos, please hit the like and subscribe. I appreciate it, and I'll see you guys next time.